Hey everybody, welcome back to Jackson Jetsetting. If you're sailing on Celebrity Reflection or you're thinking about booking her, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my best tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your cruise, whether it's your first Celebrity sailing or you're just looking to maximize a shorter itinerary. Celebrity does things a little differently than other cruise lines, so just knowing these tips ahead of time can really improve your overall cruise experience. Now before we get ready, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. I create cruise content throughout the year, so thanks a lot for watching and let's get going. So tip number 1, Celebrity is about going with the flow and not really about a schedule. So the Celebrity Reflection rewards a slower pace. This is not a check the boxes cruise where you got to go ride all the water slides and go see the robot bartenders and things like that. Instead of trying to do everything, you should focus on 1 or 2 anchor activities throughout the day. You should enjoy all the dining and build in some downtime, reading a book, or just playing games with family. When you set the cruise flow naturally, everything feels more relaxed and just feels a little more upscale. This ship is about enjoying the ship rather than experiencing the ship, I think. It's very well designed. It's pretty easy to get around, so I really did like that about the Reflection. Tip number 2, inside cabins are a smart move on these shorter sailings. On 3 or 4 night cruises, an inside cabin on Reflection is one of the best values out there. The layouts are very efficient, the rooms are quiet and comfortable, I think oversized, and if you're spending most of your time enjoying the ship, you won't really miss that balcony as much as you think. It's a great way to save money without downgrading the overall experience. On my 3-night voyage, we had no sea days, so I was out in the ports a lot and really just not in my room all that much.
Airline employees, planning your next cruise just got way easier. Meet myinterline.com, your cruise specialist, proudly serving the interline community since 2002. What makes myinterline.com different? Simple. They speak your language and have access to interline rates on over 25 cruise lines. And most of their advisors are airline employees themselves, so they know exactly what the interline traveler needs: flexibility, value, and someone who actually understands your schedule. Just create your username and password, verify you're an airline employee, and boom, you're in. No hoops to jump through and no booking fees, whether you reserve online or with an advisor, ever. For more than 20 years, myinterline.com has helped airline families sail better for less, whether it's a quick getaway or the bucket list cruise of your dreams. So if you're ready to unlock real interline benefits, scan the QR code or call 602-633-1FUN. myinterline.com, your cruise specialist.
Tip number 3. Specialty dining is where Celebrity really shines. Celebrity does specialty dining, I think, better than any other major cruise line. Restaurants like Murano, Tuscan Grill, Sushi on 5, and The Porch feel like real restaurants with strong service and consistent quality. If you plan to eat at more than one specialty restaurant, the unlimited dining package can be a fantastic value on a short sailing. Just be sure to book early or with one of the sales that happen. I booked mine during Black Friday, saving over 50% off the normal price. And it delivered a lot of value for me for someone who really does like to do that specialty dining experience. Number 4, Embarkation Day is the best time to explore. I think Embarkation Day, at least early on, is when the ship feels the emptiest, especially because Celebrity allows the cabins to be open as soon as you board the ship. So people are dropping off their bags, they're getting situated on the ship. And early on, when I boarded Celebrity Reflection, one of the first to get on board, it really felt like my own ship. Got busier throughout the day, but it was a great time just to get acquainted with the ship and understand what the ship was all about. Number 5, the Lawn Club is a secret on board Celebrity Reflection. This is one of the coolest areas, I think, on any cruise ship. The Lawn Club uses real grass. They grow real grass on board on the top deck, and it's used as sort of a flex space. They have some activities here throughout the day, like yoga and things like that, but they also have a Jumbotron where they'll play sports, different movies, things like that. It is a really cool spot. There's even a specialty restaurant up here as well. On other ships, it's actually a glass blowing area, so now it's a restaurant, but I really love this space. I think it's a really cool spot. They do putt-putt competitions up here, bocce ball, things like that, so definitely don't skip out on the Lawn Club. Tip number 6, the Solarium is better than the main pool. If relaxation is your goal, head straight to the Solarium if you are 16 or over. This adults-only space offers a calmer pool experience, comfortable loungers, and a quieter atmosphere. On those sea days, go early or later in the afternoon for the best experience and to be able to nab a chair, but it's just really pretty in here and it's protected from the elements, which is the greatest thing. So if it's a colder than normal day or if the ship happens to be sailing in colder weather, you always have a pool and hot tub at your disposal. So tip number 7, the main dining room is underrated on Celebrity. I have always been impressed with Celebrity's main dining room food. I did not dine there on my specific voyage, but I do think that just as something that's included in the cost of the cruise, do not skip out on the main dining experience. It's really fantastic. Tip number 8, the casino is smoke-free and drinks are included. The casino on Celebrity Reflection is a smoke-free environment, which is amazing compared to some of the other cruise lines. You can sit down and play without dealing with all that smoke. And another big perk is that drinks are complimentary while you're actively gambling. The waiters came along really quickly, so I always was able to get a drink while playing some of the slot machines. So you don't need a drink package or have elite status for this. Cocktail service is included. And even if you're not a serious gambler, it's a great after-dinner option. Just play responsibly. Tip number 9, short port stops equals simple plans. On itineraries with ports like Key West and Bimini, you don't need complicated excursions, though those are certainly available. Key West is very walkable and you can just explore the city, and Bimini is all about beach time and relaxation. So there's plenty of free beaches that you can just park a blanket down and enjoy your day. If you keep your plans simple and even heading back on board a little bit early, it allows you to enjoy a quieter ship and a more relaxed vacation. And then tip number 10, evenings are all about atmosphere. The Celebrity Reflection isn't a party ship, and that's intentional. Evenings are best enjoyed with a mix of shows, live music, some cocktails, and quiet walks around the ship. You don't need to rush. Reflection really shines at night if you lean into that vibe. It is a little bit more elegant as well. They do require pants in the evenings in the dining rooms. I don't know how strongly that was enforced, but it is a little bit more of an elegant vibe than your typical mega ship or some of the sister brands with Celebrity. So final thoughts, Celebrity Reflection is a fantastic ship if you understand what she does best. This is a cruise about comfort, dining, atmosphere, and pacing. If you plan smart and use the ship's quieter spaces, including the smoke-free casino, you can have an excellent experience even on a short sailing. So thanks for watching. If these tips help, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you've sailed on the Celebrity Reflection and have some tips of your own. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you on the next video.